Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Myers Laundry Detergent is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our homes, capable of transforming dingy clothes into fresh, vibrant garments with just one wash. When it comes to keeping your wardrobe looking its best and smelling fantastic, choosing the right detergent can make all the difference, and today, we're diving deep into what makes Myers Laundry Detergent a standout option for consumers seeking superior cleaning power and fabric care. Number 5. Fresh Wave Odor Removing Laundry Booster. Are unpleasant smells clinging to your favorite clothes and fabrics? Introducing a revolutionary solution to eliminate those stubborn odors effectively. This laundry booster is designed to tackle even the toughest odors. It works deep within the fibers to neutralize smells, not just mask them. Experience safer odor relief with our natural, plant-based formula. It's gentle yet powerful, providing peace of mind for your family and pets. Perfect for all your laundry needs, from activewear and pet bedding to blankets and everyday clothes. It refreshes fabrics, leaving them smelling naturally clean. Say goodbye to unwanted smells and hello to lasting freshness. Make your laundry routine simpler and more effective with this innovative odor remover. What we like? Tired of stubborn odors clinging to your fabrics? This powerful formula tackles smells from pet bedding to activewear. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to refresh your laundry, this is your go-to solution. What people say. A little goes a long way, so you get a lot of loads of laundry out of one bottle. Super easy to use, just add a capful to your regular laundry routine to get stubborn odors out. The scent is very natural and herbaceous, not chemically or perfume-y, it's an all-natural product. It smells like pine and lemongrass. Number 4. Mrs. Myers Clean Day Lavender Laundry Detergent. Introducing Mrs. Myers Clean Day Liquid Laundry Detergent. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your fabrics and the environment. Our biodegradable formula is thoughtfully infused with essential oils. Enjoy the calming scent of lavender with every wash. This 64-ounce bottle provides enough detergent for 64 loads. Keep your clothes fresh and clean, load after load. It effectively tackles dirt and grime while preserving the integrity of your garments. You can trust it for all your laundry needs. Let the delightful aroma of lavender transform your laundry routine. It's a simple way to bring a touch of nature indoors. Choose Mrs. Myers Clean Day for a cleaner home and a happier planet. It's the natural choice for your laundry. What we like? Experience a calming clean with the soothing scent of lavender. Its biodegradable formula is kind to your clothes and the environment. If you prefer a detergent that leaves a delightful natural fragrance and is gentle for everyday use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Clothes come out clean, and it works fine on normal dirt, sweat, and light stains. It also rinses out well and doesn't leave any residue on clothes, which is important if you have sensitive skin or just prefer a cleaner feel. The scent is clean and fresh without being overpowering, which I really appreciate since strong fragrances can linger on clothes. Number 3. Mrs. Myers Clean Day Lemon Verbena Laundry Detergent. Introducing Mrs. Myers Clean Day Liquid Laundry Detergent in the refreshing lemon verbena scent. It's infused with essential oils for a powerful clean. Experience the delightful aroma of lemon verbena, crafted with the goodness of essential oils. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. This generous 64-ounce bottle provides enough detergent for up to 64 loads of laundry. Get more washes with every bottle. Our formula is designed to tackle tough stains while being gentle on fabrics. Enjoy a brighter, cleaner wash every time. Let the uplifting scent of lemon verbena transform your laundry routine. It's a simple way to bring a touch of nature indoors. What we like? Brighten your laundry routine with the uplifting scent of lemon verbena. This detergent uses essential oils for a refreshing aroma and powerful cleaning. If you love a zesty fragrance and a detergent that cleans effectively, consider this option. What people say. Clothes come out clean, and it works fine on normal dirt, sweat, and light stains. It rinses out well and doesn't leave any residue on clothes. The scent is clean and fresh without being overpowering, which I really appreciate since strong fragrances can certainly linger on clothes. Number 2. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets Lemon Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs and messy powders? Discover Sudstainables, the revolutionary way to do your laundry. Our dissolvable sheets offer a powerful clean in a compact, eco-friendly format. These innovative sheets dissolve completely in your wash, leaving clothes fresh and clean. They are a perfect alternative to traditional liquid and powdered detergents, saving you space and hassle. Make a sustainable choice with our plastic-free packaging. The lightweight design makes them ideal for travel, ensuring you can have fresh laundry wherever you go. Enjoy the invigorating scent of lemon with every load. Our detergent sheets provide a delightful fragrance that leaves your clothes smelling amazing. Each package provides an incredible 200 loads of washing. Experience long-lasting convenience and a superior clean for your entire family. Using them is incredibly simple. Just toss a sheet into your washing machine drum, no measuring, no mess. It's laundry simplified. What we like? Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs and messy spills. These dissolvable sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly laundry solution. If you value space saving, easy portability, or a simpler way to do laundry, these sheets are ideal. What people say. The blotter are cleaner, softer, and smell fresher than liquid laundry soap. These wash very well. As good or better than liquid powder and/or pods. Their top feature is my ability to travel with them. Number 1. Mrs. Myers Clean Day Honeysuckle Laundry Booster, 18 ounces. Tired of dull laundry? Discover Mrs. Myers Clean Day Laundry Booster, designed to enhance your regular detergent. Simply pair it with your favorite liquid detergent or pods. It's an easy way to get brighter, fresher clothes. Enjoy the charming scent of honeysuckle with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling as good as it looks. This 18-ounce bottle provides a powerful boost to your cleaning routine. Experience the difference it makes. Choose Mrs. Myers Clean Day for a naturally effective clean. Make laundry day a little brighter. What we like? Want an extra boost for your laundry? This booster enhances your regular detergent's performance with a delightful honeysuckle fragrance. If you're looking to tackle tougher stains or simply want to add a lovely scent to your wash, this is a great addition. What people say. It's natural and has a fresh scent without being too perfumed. This has a nice natural lavender scent and really is a super scent boost to my clothes. The lavender is totally different and does truly scent my laundry, even through a dryer cycle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.